Hi, I'm a virtual assistant. I will tell you about the HR-QWES cow neck responder. The main functions of the HR-QWES transponder are identification, heat detection, rumination, activity. And just by holding the phone to the tag, you can easily read the NFC with the tag number. HR-QWES LD transponders for Lely robots, SCR and MilkLine milking parlours. Requires no hardware changes or additional software installation. Just place the transponders on the cow. Compatible with data flow and Heatime, Horizon software. Service life 10 years and 2-year warranty. Modern up-to-date configuration. HR-QWES LD, SCR, deficiencies have been eliminated. Quality control at all stages. Shock-proof and sealed housing. Secure battery attachment. Number reading with NFC. Our transponders are reliable, simple and durable.